are really excited because we're leading our first ever KiDo Kids Yoga teacher training online.
We can't wait to show you an activity that will be in today's training. So sometimes we can really enjoy doing yoga, but it might be more difficult for children to understand the breathing or the position. So in today's training, we're going to be showing you, Becky's going to be showing you a few tricks like this one.
Awesome. So this is one of the ways you can teach pranayama or breathing to young people. So we're going to use a parachute for this, and I would say if you work with kids, totally get one because there's so many fun games you can do with it. So to help me with the exercise, I have some different little balls, and on these balls there's lots of different faces. So what faces have we got? Will you show them? And you can get the kids to guess what emotions these are. So for example, what do you think this emotion is, Sophie?
Oh my gosh. Silly?
Yeah, I was going to say silly too.
Is that an emotion?
And you can get them to pull the faces. So for example, what does a silly face look like? What other ones have we got?
An angry face.
Okay, so what's an angry face look like?
Like that.
I don't think you could ever do angry. And then we've got happy face. Yay! So, what I would do if I'm teaching is get the kids to choose a face. So for example, what do you think this is?
That looks really shocked and scared. Like he's just seen a spider.
So this one looks really shocked and scared. So you could say to them, think of things that make you scared or nervous. So for example, what makes you scared or nervous, Sophie?
Sometimes in the dark. If I'm on my own in the dark, I might be a bit scared and nervous.
Yeah, me too. I was always scared of the dark when I was little. So we can say to them, okay, we're going to collect all of the things that we're scared about and we're going to put them inside of the parachute. Then we get them to hold onto the edges of the parachute.
In a squat position?
Yeah, we can squat down like little frogs. Can you jump up and down like a frog, Sophie? And then I ask them, what happens to your breathing when you're scared of something?
Oh, so when I'm in the dark, I breathe really quickly, really, really fast.
Yeah.
And my heart goes really fast.
So we can get them to try this with the parachute. So when you're scared, you're breathing really fast and your heart's beating really, really fast. But how about when you're calm, Sophie? So when you're relaxed, how do you breathe?
My breathing starts to go slower, so my breath is deeper. I take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and I start to feel more calm, and my heart goes slower as well.
Exactly. But before we do that, we need to get rid of all the things that scare us. So after 3, we're just going to throw them all away. You ready?
I'm ready.
I can't wait for this. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Bye-bye. So all of our fears have just been thrown out of the way. And now we're going to try and do nice slow breathing. And we're going to do this with the parachute. So deep breath in, lift up. Oh, some of my fears were still on there. Now they're gone. And deep breath out.
That's what calm breathing does.
It does, it gets rid of all of your fears. So when they breathe in, you get them to lift up the parachute as slowly as they can. And when they breathe out, bring it down as slowly as they can. Should we do some deep breaths?
Let's do some
Let's
deep breaths, see how it feels.
Deep breath in, lift up. Deep breath out, lower down. Let's just do one more. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And then you can ask them, how do you feel when you do some nice deep breaths? I feel great.
I feel really good too. Better than when my breathing is really fast.
Definitely. So that's just one technique you can use. We are going to be leading another KiDo Kids training online soon, so please get in touch with us if you're interested and have a beautiful day. Lots of love.
Namaste.